Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet app. To know how to find a solution about Google Meet, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window of Google Meet. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end of all the steps then you can turn off your phone. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.